Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve battery draining issue on GARMIN Edge 540. The easiest way to resolve this issue on your device is to simply enable the power saving mode, which you can do by going to the control center, navigating down to battery and enabling battery saver. As you can see, it almost doubles our remaining battery. And let's see what it does here. So it reduces the backlight. It sets the backlight timeout to 15 seconds. By default, it's active forever until we basically turn off our device. And so we can optionally hide the map, but it will also, well, it will basically just remove the purpose of our device overall, almost entirely. Of course, you may not need the map at some points. Therefore, I think this is a good solution to give yourself another 5 hours of active battery. But generally speaking, if you don't want to use the battery saver, you can go. You can use different settings. You can adjust your settings to prolong your battery life. So first of all, we can go to GPS settings and we can select GPS instead of multi GNSS options. So GPS will provide you less accuracy, but it will also increase your battery life. Then we can also disable the phone when we do not need it. So we can go to the phone section and we can disable the Bluetooth connection with the phone. Then we can also check the sensors, and we can disable the sensors that we are not using as well. And then let's go to settings. Now in settings, let's select system. Let's go to display. Okay, so here we can, for example, disable the brightness and set the brightness to the static level where we still feel comfortable with it. And we can manually set the backlight timeout to a comfortable value, not just 15 seconds, but we can, for example, set it 1 minute, which will already increase our battery's life. Besides, in system settings, we can scroll down to tones and disable the tones and key tones of our device. And all of this will increase our device's battery performance and increase our device's battery life. And lastly, also make sure to keep your device updated, which you can easily do by, of course, firstly connecting your device to the smartphone, then go into About section in System and check in for available updates right here. And this way you can download and install the latest software version, and of course it will affect your battery life in a positive way. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.